Good morning. Thanks for checking out Rosmarinus officinalis Irene, patent number 9124. I call this Irene Rosemary, by the way. But this is a patented variety that I bought at Lowe's several years ago. Now, it's relatively new as a cultivar, I guess you could say. And it is pest resistant as it was advertised there, and drought resistant. Now it's a little bit darker color. I don't know if you can see the difference here. Here's Huntington carpet rosemary. The flowers are a little bit more white than Irene. So here's Irene. Now what I like about Irene is that she's a prolific bloomer and just more pest resistant and disease resistant than other rosemaries. I just let this thing grow. Now you can see here what it looks like from the backside in the full shade in the morning. And you can see it's a nice darker colored flower. And believe it or not, this was discovered by a garden designer. And it was a spontaneous seedling hybrid. Now I grow this in almost full sun. It gets sun for most of the day. And it will bloom like this from March until around May, off and on. But this is the best time at the beginning of March is when it's most prolific. Does like well draining soil, and it will spread in time, as you can see. It's a very hardy variety of rosemary. Hardy down to 0 degrees, believe it or not. Let's get a better look. Just really beautiful little flowers. So there you go, Irene Rosemary. Just a beautiful giant mounding plant that smells just wonderful. It's very aromatic, and I believe you can cook with this variety as well. Okay, give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day. Take care.